Meteorologist Peyton Malone with what to expect outside.
Good morning, Brandon. We are waking up already tracking rain on our radar, and so a couple of showers could impact the morning drive. Brooke will have more on your drive times, but here's where we stand on radar this morning. A lot of the widespread rain is down in the coast, or down along the coast and in the Gulf, but a few of these showers have popped up in the metro and on the North Shore. A closer look at these showers that have moving through parts of the metro. You can see a little shower over New Orleans east is weakening, but some rain out there. Also, the thunderstorm that was sitting over English Turn is drifting into east St. Bernard, and it's weakening. And then still a fairly healthy thunderstorm sitting just off I-55 between Laplace and Manchac, so maybe getting a decent lightning show there just off the interstate. And then north of the lake, we do have a heavy shower that's been sitting over the Kentwood area. This has been just parked there, really, and it's dumping some heavy rain. And so watching water maybe collect up around Kentwood, south of Osika there, and north of Tangipahoa, the community, but storming pretty good there once you get up into the northern parts of Tangi. So for today, a 40 to 50% chance of scattered showers. There are many dry hours. Notice 9-10 o'clock, a couple showers. We start to heat up, and we see additional showers and a few thunderstorms developing across the area. I do think with rain around, we'll stay mostly in the low 90s today. Tomorrow and Thursday, rain chance is still about 40%, with hit or miss thunderstorms, highs still in the low 90s. So no huge changes coming through the next at least 3 days. And once we get you into the weekend here, still a couple thunderstorms around, but no particular washout. Early next week, we're going to keep an eye on some tropical moisture, see how close it can actually get to us. Hurricane Center is not highlighting that moisture, currently sitting to the east of the Bahamas and the Turks and Caicos, but that could influence our weather through parts of next week. The tropics, they have again still been waking up here. Dexter is still a tropical storm going out to sea. You can see the path there. The two other areas, the percentage of development has not changed since yesterday, so it's not like the concern is growing for anything. We're still just kind of in this monitoring phase. They're giving a 50% chance of development of this tropical wave and only a 30% chance of development off the east coast there. But again, this is just one component. This is going to hang out here, try to organize in the next few days, and then slowly drift north with maybe some heavier rain. We're going to be watching this feature, again, not being highlighted by the Hurricane Center, but I do think this moisture is going to try to work its way up towards the northern Gulf by early next week. So here's this tropical moisture trying to organize. Notice on the same token, the southern side, you get this little area of tropical moisture trying to lift our way. And models, they've kind of been so-so with maybe something weak developing, but I think at the end of the day, just increasing the moisture somewhere along the northern Gulf early next week. Something to certainly monitor. Models are not really aggressive with either one of these features blowing up in anything major, so that's good, but again, it's tropical moisture, and so we'll keep an eye on that. That deeper feature is still very uncertain on where it's going to go. The European's way out to sea. The GFS says, well, maybe out to sea, maybe not. It's been flip-flopping around. We expect that. This system is so far out there, hasn't formed. We're just in that wait and watch, worth a mention phase at this point. So our 7-day forecast, just typical August weather, low 90s, hit or miss thunderstorms each and every day. Make it heavy rain one day and may miss it the next. Our marine forecast, we'll call for light and variable winds here outside, the chance for a thunderstorm. High tide is happening this morning, and low tide will happen later on this evening.